Ask a Speech Coach, L and R, by Gene Zerna. Dear Gene Zerna, people tell me that my L sounds like R. They show me how to make the sound, but then they say I'm not doing it right. Yoshi Akia. Dear Yoshi, first, hear and see the difference. Ask an English-speaking person to say the words in these two columns. Listen. Watch his or her mouth change from the L words to the R words. L words. Lice. Lead. Lot. Climb. Cloud. Glass. Belly. File. Wall. R words. Rice. Red. Rot. Crime. Crowd. Grass. Berry. Fire. War. The tongue in L position is easy. Feel the tip of your tongue touch the roof of your mouth, just behind the top teeth. You can feel your tongue flap as you produce L at the beginning of syllables. The tongue touches the roof of the mouth for L at the end of words. Then feel the sound. Practice saying the column of L words. Then practice these sentences with L. Lenny likes lollipops. Billy's belly was full of jelly. The clown climbed to the clouds. For the R, pull your tongue back into the center of the mouth. Do not touch the roof of the mouth with your tongue. When the R follows a vowel sound, first say the vowel, and then feel your bottom jaw move upward. Your bottom jaw move upward. The space in your mouth, gets smaller. Feel your tongue curl up a little bit. Practice saying the list of words in the R words column. In some languages, R is a consonant. The tongue flaps against the roof of the mouth. But in American English, the R sound is more like a vowel. No parts of the mouth touch each other. Feel your tongue in the middle part of your mouth as you practice the column of the R words. Then try these sentences. Ricky rode a red horse. Harry borrowed 40 quarters. Gary's grass is very green. Here are some tongue twisters. Millie and Mary filled their glasses. I like yellow rice. Will Larry like red rice? Bill told Bert that the play was boring. Laura loves all jewelry. She especially likes pearls.